throw something out?
I don't know. The car that's behind him?
Yeah.
He's a blocker.
He pitted me.
He did it on purpose to stop y'all.
On August 19th, 2021, Potter County Sheriff's deputies were conducting traffic enforcement in a marked unit on I-40 in Texas. The deputies observed a white Toyota RAV4 following too closely to a truck and attempted to pull it over. When they activated their lights, the RAV4 kept accelerating, and a white Infiniti QX30 suddenly struck the deputies, causing their vehicle to spin out. Both the RAV4 and Infiniti continued without stopping after the collision.
He's running. Call it.
741 down one
What was in the middle of the road? What was in the middle of the road? What was that? Did I blow a tire? Did they throw something out?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
What the hell was that?
Did I blow a tire?
I don't know.
Car got away. There you go. 742.
Road workers approached the deputies and advised a white vehicle traveling behind them had struck them, pushing them off the roadway.
I don't know, what, did I blow a tire, dude?
Yeah. I didn't see your tires. No.
742.
You were just driving normal.
I was just freaking driving.
Yeah, it just like it just turned.
We lost the vehicle. We 1050'd our vehicle. I don't know if I blew a front tire.
That car that's behind him?
Yeah.
He's a blocker.
Who was?
The one with the Florida.
Did he hit me?
With the Florida tag? Yeah. Oh, the blocker.
742. I just got information. The construction workers out here said there was a vehicle out here, a white passenger vehicle with Florida tags. He crashed into us and took off. I'm assuming he's a blocker for this vehicle we were about to stop that was running from us. Oh, yeah. He pitted me.
He did it on purpose to stop y'all.
Fuck, man.
What y'all's business, right? You seen everything. Appreciate it. I thought something, man. I like that y'all broke y'all's neck. That fucking car loaded.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
We need to go to I-40 East.
Yeah. That car hit y'all.
742. 742. Yeah, he wouldn't let us over for miles.
Yeah. I got that tag. That tag should be pulled
The
up.
Florida one?
No, not Florida one. The California tag.
California tag on that vehicle. I believe it's going to have a single male driver. There was a white Florida tagged vehicle behind us, tinted windows.
The driver of the white Infiniti was later identified as 26-year-old Monique DeRaw. The passenger who grabbed the wheel of the Infiniti to strike the deputy's vehicle was 31-year-old Kyle Willicka. And the driver of the initial white RAV4 was identified as 35-year-old Ricardo Rodriguez.
Hey, so we went to make a stop.
The following day, law enforcement traced Monique's phone and located her traveling east on I-40 in a rental car. Wheeler County Sheriff's deputies were able to stop the vehicle and observed all three suspects in it.
I got him.
Okay. Back passenger, get out of the vehicle! Yeah. Back passenger, get out of the vehicle.
Back passenger, my side, get out of the vehicle.
Hands up, show us your hands.
Hands up. Both of your hands up. Let me see your hands. Up yourself up. Both hands up. Both hands up. Pick up your shirt from the collar. From the collar.
Look who that is.
Spin around. Spin around. Keep steady. Face away from me. Stop.
There's a front passenger too.
There's a front passenger.
I'm pretty sure, unless it's just the dog.
Is there any, you see anybody else? Front passenger, exit the vehicle with your hands up. Get out of the vehicle, hands up. Let me see your hands, both of them. Both hands. Exit the vehicle. Hands up. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Turn around. Walk back. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Back, back, back.
Stop.
Stop.
I'll get on the ground.
Okay, lay on the ground. Take your shirt all the way off.
Hands.
Arms out to the side. Don't move.
Got him.
Looks like luggage, pillows, and a big ass dog.
Good.
Which knee's bad, bud? This one right here. Okay. I got a knee infection. Let's just
I want to start getting traffic moving.
pick you up. Ready? Go ahead, street.
What's this all about?
Put them in there with
You
ears.
know what it's about? It's about what happened yesterday. Come on. I hit the cop.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Oh,
I
go right
did.
here.
I was driving. She had nothing to do with it. I drove her car.
Hey,
I'm dead ass serious. I know what happened. Fuck it. I hit the cop.
Hey, y'all pat the pockets down. Good ID on you?
Oh, no.
have a seat.
T-shirt, please.
We'll get it to you. Have a seat.
Dumbass.
Yeah. Who?
This dude. He wouldn't fucking turn around.
I know. You want me,
County HSI wants to talk to him.
okay, you want me custody or detained?
Hey, I'll call that sergeant. They called me.
904 wheeler. Go ahead and show 2 males, 1 female in custody. Go ahead and notify contacts with HSI and Amarillo.
10904, you cut out there at the end. Who do I need to contact?
Notify the contacts in Amarillo and Homeland Security that we've got the vehicle and 3 occupants detained or in custody.
She's the one they want.
She is?
Yeah.
They don't want any of the
Well,
others?
they want the other 2. No, they want the other 2. He said we're coming out there. He said we're headed that way right now. I told him we're at the 151
You get a wrecker,
and
Yeah.
haul it to the office. 904 wheeler. Go ahead and send an exhortation wrecker. Advise them it's going to be hauled to the sheriff's office. Do what?
He said he's gonna call me right back. That's that
Out of Florida?
That's an Infinity?
Where's it at?
I don't know.
I was like, the other one's on the record?
Hey, big boy. All right. Just go stand in front of one of those beacons.
The address?
122 West 2nd.
Yeah.
Okay, 122 West.
Is that where they're wanting to go?
Yeah, we're gonna take them up there.
Okay, you don't want to go to the sheriff's office?
Yeah, we'll have the vehicle taken there for you.
Okay.
Would you mean to tow it there, or do you want me to?
I already got a wrecker on the way.
Drive it there? Tow it. Okay.
No, four-wheeler. Advise the wrecking service.
After searching the rental car, they discovered 7 bags of methamphetamine, weighing approximately 7.57 kilograms.
That one is. Hey, sure. Into that one.
What, 5-6 pounds?
I bet that's 12.
You think?
Monique later told Homeland Security investigation agents the drugs belonged to Kyle and Ricardo. When she was asked about their travel plans, she changed her story several times.
Just pull forward down there in the grip.
All right.
Hey, we take over all 3 of them to OPD. He said, because we'll hold it as evidence, is what he said.
They want us to put them in that cell, all 3 together?
Well, he just asked that we take them to Shamrock yet and not yet to Wheeler.
Okay.
So I don't know if he's planning on booking all 3 of them or what he's planning on doing.
Okay. Y'all hot?
No.
Ultimately, the 3 drug traffickers were sentenced to a total of 48 years in prison. Kyle and Ricardo pleaded guilty to possession with intent to distribute meth and were each given 20 years in federal prison. Monique also pleaded guilty to conspiracy to distribute meth and missed prison of a felony and was sentenced to 8 years in federal prison. Do you enjoy our content and want to see more? Join the Code Blue Cam Patreon for early access to ad-free videos, exclusive content not published on YouTube, behind the scenes, and much more. By joining, it will help with the production, sustainability, and long-term viability of Code Blue Cam. See the link in the description for more information. We are truly thankful for all your support.